For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix switch account problem in Messenger application. First, you have to go to the Messenger app, 3 bars above, click the settings, and you will be redirected to this tab. Find switch account tab, click that one. If you want to add account in your existing account, just place your phone number and email and password, and you will be redirected to your account. As you can see, I have an existing account here. All I need to do is to click that account and click continue so that I can log into my account. And if you can still get an error that you cannot log into your account, just go to the Play Store and check for the updates on Messenger application. Click Play Store. Search for the Messenger application. And as you can see, my Messenger application is already updated. So we have to go back to the home screen page. Tap and hold the Messenger application, click App Information, and you will be redirected to this tab. Click the storage and cache. You can clear the cache and clear storage. This can help you to fix bugs, issues from the application. And if you cannot log in still, you can just simply restart your phone so that it will refresh the application itself. And then after that, you can just re-log into your Messenger application. If you cannot log in still, you can just manually open your Facebook application, log into your account, and your Messenger information will sync directly to your Messenger application. That's it. Thank you for watching.